What are hurricanes? Imagine you're enjoying warm ocean waves, but did you know that these warm and cozy oceans can give rise to a frightening phenomenon? Let's dive into this topic and understand why one should not dive into the ocean while you spot a hurricane. What are hurricanes? Hurricanes are intense, low-pressure weather systems characterized by powerful winds, heavy rainfall, and a circular storm structure. These systems form over warm ocean waters and can grow to hundreds of miles in diameter, causing significant damage when they reach land. Scientifically, hurricanes are classified as tropical cyclones with sustained wind speeds of at least 19 kilometers per hour. They are categorized on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale, which ranges from category 1, which is least severe, to category 5, which is the most severe. Now, let's understand, how do hurricanes form? Tropical cyclone genesis is a complex process that requires specific atmospheric and oceanic conditions. Let me give you a detailed breakdown of these conditions. First and foremost, warm ocean waters is the base and fuel source for hurricane formation, with temperatures of at least 26.5 degrees Celsius down to a depth of about 50 meters. This heat provides the energy necessary for the storm's development. Secondly, evaporation and condensation are responsible for moisture supply. As ocean water heats up, it starts to evaporate, sending warm, moist air into the atmosphere. As this air rises and cools, the moisture condenses to form clouds and releases latent heat, which further fuels the storm. Third is the core development stage, where low-pressure system is formed. The rising warm air creates an area of low pressure at the ocean's surface. Air from surrounding high-pressure areas rushes in to fill the void, creating a cycle of rising and converging air masses. The fourth phase is with storm rotation and is also known as Coriolis effect. Due to the rotation of the Earth, the Coriolis effect causes the storm system to spin anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Without the spin, a hurricane cannot form. Last but not the least, wind shear. That is the difference in wind speed and direction between the lower and upper atmosphere, which is responsible for a hurricane to form and intensify. Low wind shear is essential, as high wind shear can disrupt the storm's organization and prevent its growth. Now, the hurricane has completely formed, and just like humans have defined body parts, there's a well-defined structure of a hurricane. First is the eye, calm, clear center of the hurricane with light winds and low pressure. Then the eye wall, the region surrounding the eye containing the strongest winds and heaviest rainfall. And then the rain bands, spiral bands of thunderstorms that extend outward from the eye wall. Just like we grow from newborn, infant, and toddler, a hurricane has defined life cycle of tropical disturbance. That is a cluster of thunderstorms that form over warm waters. First, tropical depression. The system organizes and achieves wind speeds of up to 61 kilometers per hour. Second, tropical storm. Sustained wind speeds reach 63 to 118 kilometers per hour. Third, hurricane. Wind speeds exceed 119 kilometers per hour and the system becomes a fully developed hurricane. To conclude, while we can't stop hurricanes from forming, it's our deepest gratitude to science, as understanding hurricanes from a scientific perspective allows us to better predict their formation, track their paths, and mitigate their impact on human life and infrastructure. If you want more such interesting videos, then subscribe to our channel.